how to embed a quiz into a GoHighLevel landing page. That's what we're going to go over right now. Now, first off, if you want quizzes that look like this, then you want to go over here to PrettyQuizCodes. And if you are one of the first 150 people who are, well, actually, it's a few less than that now. But if you are, then you get a free quiz designed by yours truly, exactly what you want. You just tell me, I'll throw this all together and design it exactly how you want. You just let me know. Anyways, we are moving on. So, what you want to do is you want to grab your embed code. I'm going to show you two different ways to do this. So first off, we're going to grab this embed code, and then we want to, ooh, nice. Okay, we'll go back to that. So we want to, right over here to our funnels, and then we are going to, actually, I think I have a test, so let's see, that's plenty, because that's where I want to be. Test 55. All right, so I already have this page up and running. We are going to edit this page, because this is a landing page that I'm going to throw it in. It's just a blank page. You're going to see there's like one line here, so you can do this as a single. Grab this custom code, because that's where the embedded code needs to go. All you're going to do is just throw that in and save. And now this will run here. You can leave this like so, like this is going to be fine. If you want to extend it all the way across, then that's going to take up the full length. And I'll show you what that looks like right now. Ready? And boom, begin. So it's going to come up, but it gives a double bar. I'm never really crazy about that double bar. I hate it actually. I really don't like it. I despise you, double bar. Bane of my existence, not exactly, but maybe. So what we're going to do is we are going to grab another set, and I'm going to show you this, because if you want to put it as smaller, then you have that option as well, right? Like, let's go ahead and actually we'll just move it down, and then I can show you this. So let me delete this. We'll throw something over here. Let's see. I'll just do a, yep, I'll just do a button again. Very simple, very easy to do. And so this is going to populate, and it's going to be smaller this time. It's going to be off to the side. So now we throw it in the page, and it is going to load. Tell them exactly what they're doing, why they're doing it. Keep telling them, keep, getting that inspiration to keep going. Come on, you got this. What's your organization's name? Tell me. You can put a button over here. I don't recommend putting anything that's on the page that's going to like take them away from the quiz, because you want them to just like experience it. Obviously, that's the goal here. So, but that's how you do this. Now, if you want it to be full screen, if you want it to take up the full thing, so that way you get a nice branded link, which I recommend. What we're going to do is we're going to go back here. We're going to grab this preview link. Proceed. Why not? Give me just a second, and we are going to grab this, go over here to PrettyQuizCodes. We can, actually, I need to do it again. So we are going to grab another quiz, and this, detect fields. If I were setting out to change anything in this, which I'm not, I would change all those things, and that's for a different style, actually. That's not for skins. So, now what I want to do is for this landing page embedded, all I'm going to do is just going to copy this code. I'm going to head back over to this landing page. That's not the landing page anymore. Now here we are. And so what I want to do is we can delete this. Now yep, it went back to full. So I'm just going to grab this guy, and which Pokemon has that sneak attack? I should not be asking questions at this hour of night. Okay, so we'll save that. And then we will run over here, save, and we will see what happens. All right, so now it takes up the entire screen. You don't have the double scroll bar, and it's just the full experience on the page. This is how you get this to be the exact link. It'll drop the preview once you set that, connect your domain, and then you can set it to whatever you want. And then from there, you get, well, actually, I'll just do it. So you connect the domain here, save. Now that domain test page is up, we can publish it, and then we are going to view it. Oh, poor form. Poor form. Why is that? Okay, I don't know why it's still messing with me, but let's do this. Open that in a new tab. And so now you see, this is how you get the link for a quiz, and you make it actually like a nice link. I'll make another video for that, so that way people can find that really fast. They don't have to wait till the end of this video. But that's how you do that, and that's how you make like links look really nice on social media and stuff. But anyways, I hope you found this helpful. If you want the quizzes that are already done for you. If you want access to the workspace that I always use to make this really fast, and as you can see, it makes it like ridiculously fast because all this has been done at this point. It's really simple. Everything is there for you. As I said, if you're one of the first to grab it, you get a free custom code from yours truly. A full quiz looks outstanding. It's going to be the best thing for your business because the user experience is just top of the line, and it's the best representation for your company because just right off the bat, people are engaging. They're getting all of those touch points. I mean, I could go into detail as to why it's helping so many businesses, but I mean, just if you watch YouTube, then you know, like people attach these to QR codes. That's one of the best ways to do it. QR codes, and then they scan, and then you know, I've got realtors that are actually using this for what's it called? Whenever they do open houses, because the worst thing you can do is like have to wait. Somebody's signing something, you're having like that awkward like conversation while they're sitting there, like yeah, blah blah. And most of them don't even want to do it, right? So this is just like such a low friction way to you know add steps and systems into your business to like completely cut out the friction. It's so outstanding, and I wish that you know more people knew about it, and they're starting to, so that's really exciting. Anyways, I hope this was helpful, and yeah, grab that, and I will see you guys in there later. Bye.